Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader. This is Marie. Yeah, let's see what opportunities we find in this market today. SPY is pumping up all-time highs again. This thing is just going higher and higher. Now it's pulling back a little bit, I know, but hey.
Well, pulled back to the VWAP, right?
Yeah, it's amazing the way this market is pushing back up, and yeah, let's see. Nvidia as well was pushing a bit, but still like chopping around. Probably I'm gonna buy Nvidia today. I don't want to do that, to be honest, and I can try to give it a shot at those 73 something, because the 73 yesterday without buyer it was holding good. But yeah, Nvidia. My concern is that it's because of the extension it have been having to the upside. Probably it's gonna stay a little bit more quiet, a little bit more choppy compared to the rest of the names. So I'm gonna be open to anything I find, and yeah, that's it for.
What I'm surprised is that when we're looking at the, it could be a good idea when you're talking about that, Davey, because when we're looking at, I just did a filter in a triage True Arvo, and Nvidia is not even in the top 20.
No, like that Arvo is not working right now. Like it work only when the market open.
Okay.
So yeah, but I know.
But usually, Nvidia shows up in the morning, like
But
early, even pre. It shows up in there.
Like my volume is the fifth one I have. So yeah, I know what you mean now. It's way farther.
Okay, if you go by volume, you say what?
It's a 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, number 5.
Okay, yeah.
And I have a bunch
Yeah,
of names
for
in
me
between that I do not trade.
Yeah.
So
I've got number 7.
Like I have your Jovi and which I kind of want to delete from there because but Baba is there too. I don't know why Baba is there.
Baba's number 1.
Yeah, Baba is looking good. Yeah, definitely looking good, that Baba. Let's see. Then we have Apple, QBTS. Hood is a little bit high today too.
Yep. I think Hood. I thought that I remember.
That's beautiful the way that Hood is pushing.
Seeing some news on Hood this morning, and now it's such a busy morning.
Yeah, it's like they say that they are not listing Hood on the S&P 500, but
I think that's what it is. It was, Davey.
They say no, but
Yeah.
I think they will.
Okay.
Like I think it's just a matter of time. Like of course it's I was kind of expecting it to not be that easy to go into the SPY for them yet, but yeah, there's a high chance that they can go there. So how are you doing, Mary, today?
I am doing well. Guess what? It's Friday, Davey. It's Friday.
Se van ready?
Yeah, and it's a special Friday for you.
Oh yeah, I go on vacation today, after today.
Hey!
By the way, for anybody watching, we are trading Monday and ideally Friday. Monday we are trading normal. Like probably I'm gonna arrive a little bit late, but
Yeah.
even before the market open, I'm expecting to be here, taking those whacks. So, but yeah.
Yeah, so for me, it's just, I'm not sure for the Monday. We will see. If it's Monday, I will finish early. It's the last day for Diane, and she's going home.
Yeah, like for sure, yeah, whatever works best for you. Your own boss.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I understand. Yeah, as I say, I'm gonna try to be as informative as possible with that. But yeah, I would like to keep trading even if I am on vacation. Up to now is every month, each Monday and each Saturday, and each Friday. Sorry, Monday and Friday.
Yep.
And the 3 days in between, I will be off. But then you see, it's me who live in the moon. For the first week is Monday and Friday. for the second week is Thursday and Friday. Because Monday is the other camping.
See.
Yeah, you see? It's me who never keep track of things, so. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm getting old.
It's so busy. Wow, QURL is looking good too. Nice. Trading at the VWAP right there. The range, we're talking at about 65 cents, so don't see the moon yet. We will see.
Any of my names that are interesting for you? Like, no?
What about Baidu?
Baidu?
Baidu. Oh, we're gonna go through that again.
Oh,
Baidu.
Yeah, that's looking cool.
Eh?
It's looking cool.
Right?
But, yeah.
That's looking cool. Not much on the tape right now, but...
Yeah, that's a Chinese stock, so I'm gonna step away from that. And Baba the same, like, it's a Friday, and Chinese stocks doesn't do that much volume during the afternoon. So,
Okay.
that limited the move from the morning too, so it's okay. I'm gonna walk away from those two. So, AMD is bouncing from 159. I had a level there from yesterday. And there was no big sizes in there, but yeah, still looking good, I say. But like probably this AMD want to go down to 156. We're gonna have to be patient for that if that's for real.
You're talking AMD?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. Oof, lucid, eh?
Yeah, I took a look at Lucy before you arrived. And it's still hammering around the price that you wanted, I remember.
Yep, 298.3. So now it's at 303, right? So very.
So, but wouldn't you take it now, as you were willing to take it there? Like, let's say,
Well,
wouldn't
I wanted
you
to
put
take
your
it
order?
at 3.
But that's what I mean. Wouldn't you drop off your order there and walk away? And if he gets you, he gets you.
Yep, I agree with that.
So like that, you don't have to be like, oh, I missed a trade later.
Great idea, DV. I like that.
Because if you're right, it's gonna move from the open probably.
Why not just drop the order?
Like I would like to get AMD right now, short,
Okay.
right there. But the market is not open, and I don't want to begin the Friday with bad trades.
Mm. Are they selling enough to be able?
It's curious because I put that line exactly there, and it's working. So man, like to not take that trade is a mistake, but that stop loss won't work. I want to go short at that price right there.
Which one?
AMD. And right now it's at the price I wanted. It's just
And you don't think it?
I cannot manage the risk without those stop loss like effectively.
Okay.
So I can probably just take a little amount of shares. So, but the fact that it pushed away, yeah, I can be wrong. Yeah, and that's for sure. So though I don't think I'm wrong, you know, it's like. Let's see. I'm gonna put the order there, if the market open.
I'm gonna put 2 orders. I'm gonna put one at 3 and one at 295, and see what happens. Look at BBAI. Ooh, today
I'm looking at the clock.
20.
Yeah, 20 seconds. So
Okay, so
okay, let's see.
Okay, I've got my first. Okay, it's open.
Yeah, my order is in. There we go. Oof. No, yeah, that was crazy. Okay, so no size.
So I got my first lucid, but it did not pull back. So I'm glad I had it at 3, and because it did not pull back at 295, not yet anyways. We'll see what's going to happen there. Wow, BBAI, pull back. It should go back down to 8. That should be very interesting as a price for 8. Wow, a lot of liquidity grab. What's Joe Biden doing? Hey, I said it well. Yeah, Joe Biden should be pulling back too.
I say it well.
I said it well. So Joe Biden should be pulling back too. Baba's pulling. Wow, the market is doing something very weird.
Yeah,
That was really, really weird.
I'm going short on AMD, but at the price I'm going short is if I am wrong, it's gonna be probably my last trade on AMD if I am wrong, but
Okay.
I think I might be correct. Let's see. Just like I don't want to short the 60, though I should be shorting the 60, but I didn't like the way it got me out, so that's why I am offering like with sizes where the sizes are.
Okay. It's a double witching Friday too.
Thank you for letting me know.
I don't have my years, but I remember seeing that. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna break even. I shouldn't. This is working. I broke even. It is what it is. I'm just curious about this one here.
ACHR.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I got Phil on this name, and I got the
AMD?
order. Yeah,
Nice.
size for sizes. So let's see if it's gonna be printing well or not. The way we're printing there, I wanna be breaking even. I know it sucks to be breaking even there, but I have to do it. I have to not keep repeating the same mistakes I
Well
have a
done.
tendency to repeat. Huge tray, just like that. It's like sizes for sizes. Where you don't have sizes, you have no sizes, my guy. So
And you have no sizes?
yeah, because it's I keep sleeping on that side of the bed where like I am making simple mistakes that it's just like a. Sometimes you don't know why you're doing. And now you have your tray. You have the price you want. Read the print, my guy. We have, what do we have heavier? Heavier right now, the bid offer, immediate offer is a little bit juicy too, but let's see what those guys are saying. We are printing 14, a lot of blueprint right there. 13, 11, 11, 11. Oh, no, okay. Are you really gapping down like that? Oh my goodness.
Wow, Spy.
Please don't go. Don't go. Calamardo. ¿Qué hubo, Calamardo?
Wow.
We got a fat finger somewhere apparently for AMD. I'm just assuming that, like, that could be totally incorrect.
That you've got a fat finger?
No, not me. Like,
There's somebody with a fat finger.
yeah, that I made a mistake.
Real pullback. You know what? I'm gonna put my ears on. Something's happening.
That's why I like. You see, I was reading the tape and I didn't even look at it again. Like, that tape is if you like. And again, like I mean, you can get smoke anyways. Like it's just like if you see like there is a aggressive buyer, you go with him. Like the fat finger I'm talking about here.
Yeah.
Like if he keeps
There's
showing up,
an aggressive buyer.
if he's there for the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna have to readjust my tray. But right now, that was no fat finger the way we came out back in there, and the bid is no holding, but it's not holding at the point that it's looking scary to the downside. And then you see a spy bleeding already, so somebody is selling the heck of this. Yeah, let's see if there is a crazy buyer. Like, yeah, like look at that print, 81, and they squeeze in between all those middle prints, and then you have like 70s, like now 84, 85, 84, 83, and like if we go steadily, like little by little up, 10 cents down, and that's why we say, like, I mean, like, what is a rush in there? If this is going to be a big trade, like my next partial is at 159,
Okay.
and my all out will be at 156.
So Spy's still pulling back?
Yeah, look how we are just like going down. There is sizes at the 50, there is no sizes at the 50. So until we get to 159, I have no rush into taking my partial. And we are 12 hours in the money.
Woo!
But what I have been doing, I got a good price, and I am reading the tape. Things that I for sure didn't do yesterday. 79, 73, 67.
Look at Robin Hood.
I don't know why it was super high on Robin Hood. Ooh la la. Oh man, the volume that that thing has, like,
Wow.
don't go, please don't go. Una piedra en el camino me enseñó que mi destino era rodar y rodar, rodar y rodar, rodar y rodar. Y óyeme, yo sé bien que no me quisiste, pero tú vas a estar muy triste con 17 hours. 20 hours. Are you seeing
Oh!
that thing? Look at that thing.
What? Look at you! Davey! Fantastic.
Ah. But now let's go below 59 and I'm gonna take partial whatever it goes 59 below. I'm gonna put the thunder because I don't wanna be inefficient with this, so I'm gonna just put an order right there. Tiri-tiri. 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 Tiri-tiri-tiri-tiri. No tengo tronos ni reina, ni nadie quien me comprenda, pero sigo siendo el rey. Tururum, dum, dum. Please don't go. Don't go. Please don't go. Let's add that thunder here because I cannot miss the thunder. I like the thunder. What are you trading, Marie?
BBAI, Lucid,
Okay, BBI, Lucid.
but BBAI is my worry one.
That what I did there is the price of a mistake. Like you see, I passed from 20R to 3R.
What did you do?
No, I didn't take the partial because I was talking crap.
Going
so,
for the move.
Yeah. Not going for the move, I was talking crap, like I didn't put the order. And it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna take it slow. It's a process. We just have to follow the process.
Yeah, exactly. You've got a.
Of course, that doesn't justify my mistake. And the mistake is done. It's already there. So I'm gonna have to put this audio play. I want my thunder, but I don't want my 10 hours. You know. Yeah, that one. That sounds better like that.
Yeah. I like that one better.
Okay. and go. Tesla did a nice push and pull back a lot, and so there is no size in there again, but like
Are you still in your trade?
no.
SPY's pushing back up, going through the VWAP, going through the 50, going through the 200,
Mhm.
and now it seems to be going for the glory. Mm-hmm. Consumer sentiment, Michigan coming out at 10.
Nice, thank you. I flip out to the long on AMD temporarily.
Okay,
I don't like that long. Like
you're not comfortable with it.
no, you got me out already. Actually, didn't know that. Like
Managing your
my trade, yeah.
your losses, your risk. Okay,
Yeah.
so SPY right now pushing, big push. RSI is huge, huge. Really, wait, 930. Yeah, the RSI is definitely higher than 930. Okay, so we've got NX. So we've got Nasdaq that's still in the range. Let's go.
No size. No size, baby. No size. I know what I'm doing, but like at the same time, there is no size. So, yeah, there we go. Hijo de tu mamá. Pendejo. Yeah, in my opinion, this should have been. This shouldn't go higher. And like,
Spy's showing strength, eh?
yeah, yeah, definitely. It's
Look at that. It didn't even show up. PDD. Like, look.
yeah, a lot of Chinese stock are trading.
Why?
The
see,
reality,
JD.
I haven't checked the news.
Yeah, GD is definitely doing well too. Wow, Joe Biden. Full rake.
Let's see why I'm shorting this name. I'm shorting this name because the bid is essentially going down. But there is a crazy buyer that show up here and there, and now I'm influenced because I missed a 20 trade, 20-hour trade thing for talking crap, and did you drop your order? Let me share.
And that, check the level.
Let me share my frustration. Did you put the order there? I don't think you put your order
I don't
there,
think
you know?
I put that order there. Oh, frick. Look at that. That would have been beautiful. $2 in 15 minutes. Oy. Oy.
It's like me and AMD. Like I think I know where AMD wants to go. It's just I wasn't expecting that volatility, to be honest. Like I mean, the higher high that it made there, it was brutal. Like, I
Right?
mean, and then like I can now I am just managing the loss I made. So and that's why discipline is so important. And then to not get pissed off because you have a quarter of whatever you were
Ugh.
having.
When we miss a trade, eh? It's
Yeah, no,
almost
no,
an
it's,
indigestion. It's like, oh, I need some Tums.
Yeah, it's very annoying. Like I mean, Sorry.
Billy. That's been a while that we've talked about Billy, eh?
Yeah.
That's another one. I didn't put the level.
Yeah.
I didn't put. It was there. I just didn't.
You didn't put
That
it
was
today.
my level. Oh. Oy, Papa.
Yeah.
You're really getting a cold.
Yeah, and, like, but it's not a cold. Like, I am.
In denial.
No,
I am in denial.
you are more right than what you think you were. You are still right,
Okay.
but it's not that one. You remember a couple months ago that you were talking about when I sleep like crap?
Mm-hmm.
This is my like when I sleep like crap.
Okay, so your
So-
immune system takes a shit
Yeah,
kick.
like, but then if I go back to sleep well for 1 day or two, it's gonna
Okay.
be back.
So
Like,
sleeping in the weekend.
I'm gonna come back to take little naps here and there, and
Oh, I like that. That's a good idea.
but yeah, like this trade affect me a lot here. Like I'm talking about here left.
Yeah.
Like the partial here was just the partial was 10 hours, and I know where it wants to go. I won't say it because it's imprudent.
But you didn't go back in.
Oh, I am in.
Okay, you're
Yeah,
in.
but I am in with a quarter of a position because when I took a quarter of a position and a worse price because here I broke even like so this
We
is
got you out.
this is I already had a little loss. That was a little loss. And then this was the one that was 20 hours right there. So I was wanting to take 10 hours. When it went up, got me out break even. Here I took 3 trades, and all of them no 2 trades with full size.
We got you out.
And the 2 trades with full sizes put me red for good. And then I shorted just with a quarter, and that's what I have now.
Okay.
And like I think it's not gonna be holding the 59, and that's why I am holding whatever I have. But yeah, it's misbehavior for sure. Like that's very irresponsible.
Well, you say that. Yeah, for not taking the
partial, yeah,
for
for sure.
sure. Because the rest, it's good execution, but the partial there,
And it's a mixed feeling because one of the reasons of not taking the partial was to not get blocked with profit.
So
everything
this,
works in against you.
exactly. So the questions that I was
Posted yesterday.
yeah, posing yesterday of, hey, are all these creating or influence your trading so that you wouldn't, like, trying to go and circumvent all of these rules? I think we've answered the question.
Oh yeah.
It happens, right?
My swing trading is affecting me because I say, oh, now I gonna be making money on my swing. Like,
I don't want to make money because, hey, I might be blocked.
No, in the swing trade, it's like, oh, it's okay. Here and there, it's like, you lose here, you make there. It's like, that's not the principle of it. Like, look at Tesla.
Woof!
328.
But you're still in Tesla.
Yeah, I am not selling until we get to 500. No financial advice for anybody. I am taking my risk alone in there. So. And after that Tesla, I said to myself that I'm gonna be dividing in 2 trades.
Okay.
So instead of having just one big shot, I'm gonna have
You're gonna two
shots.
shot. Okay. Averaging in.
Diversifying, yeah.
Okay.
I want to show you something. Probably you don't know this one, but
Okay, go long. So, consumer Michigan sentiment.
Go long. Ay.
Go long, it's higher. So consumer Michigan is higher by 0.4. We've got inflation is lower. So from 4 to 3.6.
Everybody pay attention that she say go long.
Go long.
Like, I mean,
Go long.
no, like we don't say to anybody.
I
you
know.
It's just
Like right now, the numbers are coming out well.
Yeah, and you will see. It's gonna do the opposite. Some of them are already pumping, but what
Yeah.
I mean, like
Minor pumping.
I think the
Go long.
the overall is gonna be selling the news.
Uh,
The market is already extended, and I think it's gonna keep going higher, but don't necessarily today. Not necessarily today. So yeah, like
well, before the news came out, I was going to say, okay, I took 2 trades, but 2 sleepy trades. But no, they're working well now. Phew. You know what? 1350. Let's go. I'm going to take my first partial there.
I'm trying to add to AMD.
So I'm in ACHR.
ACHR.
And ACHR. And it's working well. Right now, 1350. I'm going to be taking a partial. I was able to get, you know, when I was saying Lucid $3 or $2.95, I was able to get in at Lucid at $2.94. So that's a really, I consider it a good price.
Okay.
And we'll see what's going on there. I am ACHR waiting at 1350 to take my first partial. I hope I'm not going to regret that, but so SPY now is that wick was incredible, but it's a 1 minute. But in SPY was, whew. But now it's interacting with the 50 EMA and the VWAP. We'll see if it's going to pull back. We do have a curl on the, like Davey said.
I am
The
chasing
RSI,
this NVIDIA
so-
AMD to the downside, yeah.
You are
Keep
chasing?
talking, but I have on my order twice to get some more shares, but I couldn't because it just keep running away from me, and I am expecting it to do something stupid and then go back down.
Okay. Pretty good, eh?
Yeah, I see those low flow, mid cap, small cap running a little bit more. Man, give me my shares, my guy. Like, I mean, just go back to 50, fill me up, and then you keep doing whatever you want to do. No, you want to do it now. You didn't even offer it. Vamos, 59. Come on. Push it toward the 50.
Let's go. Let's go. You need to. 1350. You're so there. You're so there. ACHR. Let's go. You're there. No.
Man.
Lucid, come on. Are you finally taking off?
Hijo de tu mamá.
There we go. There we go, Lucid.
Pendejo.
Pendejo. Yeah, have you heard from him?
Yeah, I have been talking with him. I think,
Weird, eh? That when we say pendejo, we think of him.
yeah, because he's the one that say like
Pendejo.
so cute.
Yeah, pendejo.
Man.
What a pull, Davey. JD's number 1.
I'm gonna be breaking even. You wanna play with me? Play with me.
Look, that was the level I had for JD.
Yeah,
And it's up $1.
that's a name I don't play. At least not today.
Okay, Baba. Well, Baba's gonna be B2. That blows my mind. That B2 blows my mind.
Yeah. So
And that 91 is shook her back.
I think that Baidu is Baidu is one of the ones that SAC has.
Yeah, right. I remember
Yeah,
that.
he was going long term in Baidu.
Okay. I agree with you. Somebody said just, oh my God, with everything, so many things that I was looking at that are going right now that I'm not in, I feel a lot of FOMO. Yeah.
Well, in my case, as I said, like I mean, and this is tough to do, but and I am not doing it good either, like because I feel the lack of it. But like once you made a mistake, and we have like this, why we have probably 3 years talking about the same thing. Sometimes you do a mistake in trading, and you just say a snowball effect for the day. So that's
It's
why
not
it's
what?
important if like
A mistake? You do a mistake?
you do a mistake, and that mistake make you do more mistakes. Because
Get
it's
you
like,
cricket.
yeah, you get your cricket, and then you are like, oof, missing here and missing there. So it's that's why the day that you begin with a green trade is rarely that you go red.
Exactly. It's true, right? Because you've got
Yeah, that give you the little cushion for you to say, okay, if I do a mistake, it's not that bad. And like, the mistake doesn't have too much pressure in you.
and you don't want to leave it on the table, right?
Yeah. If this train move to the next station without getting me out, they're gonna be more quiet. But it's not doing that right now. It's one of those where I have the problem that I am at the price. Yeah, I am at the price of interest.
Okay, RSI is going a little crazy for SPY.
Let's play a different. So load it. And there we go. So I did something a little bit brave here, but that can get me blocked. But
What did you do?
it is the right thing to do. So I load the boat at where it was going to get me out.
Okay.
But the reason why I did that is because it had the size. So it was a break even. Like, this is a trade that I'm not a fan of because of I am tilted, let's say. But that trade have the chance of working, and if it does work, it's supposed to make lower low. So fundamentally talking, what I did is correct. It's just I am not in the best position to do that. So, but the trade is correct.
Okay.
So because the trade is correct, I'm just gonna try to handle it. If it get me out, hey, another red day, but a flat week, I call it, or maybe greenish week. I know, I don't think I'm gonna be red for the week even, but like just leaving a lot of profit that was on my hands for no reason.
Well, no reason.
I'm gonna be breaking even again. I'm sorry, but like
You had a reason?
yeah, the headache, and like I sleep very little, and pas fácil, mon ami, pas fácil.
Exactly.
Because the toward the downside, the 59 is not the fact. And he kind of doesn't want to give it away, so.
So to Davy's point, great numbers, but the market is selling.
Merengue pa'l otro lado. Man, I am looking at the spread and like thank you for mentioning. You mentioned that yesterday. I'm gonna put the spread here. Why? Because I'm impressed for the gap between bid and spread on this name and like AMD and like what are you doing, guys? Like I mean, really, bid ask spread. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, like now it's just 2 cents. Let's see how it opens or close. But like, yeah, okay, yeah, 4 cents.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. No, 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 no.
La gente del otro lado. I even moved my stop loss to a couple of cents above. Let's protect another shot if this one doesn't want to work.
Wow. So SPY's pulling back. Now it's going to be interacting with the PCL that's very close to 628. Holy cannoli, what was that? Okay. 628, what you gonna do there?
What you gonna do when I come for you?
Okay, so the PCL seems to be the brakes a little bit on the sellers, put the brakes, the PCL on SPYs, kind of put a little bit of a brake, but is it going to hold there? I am hoping. Wow, lost the PCL. Bye-bye la. that spy.
Yeah, I see. He's looking crazy right now.
Wow. So spy might be going 627. We'll see.
Ay, ay, ay.
Wow. To the window, to the floor.
To the window, to the floor.
Yup.
AMD gonna go to 156. And I'm blocked now. Red block.
Oh,
So I say
no.
the wick is greenish or flat.
Okay.
Trading ACHR. I see, I see. Por un caminito yo te fui a buscar, muy lejos caminé.
Let's go. So this time you're going to go to 1350, right? So you're done.
Mm-hmm.
How you feel about that one?
No, it's okay. I'm frustrated, but with myself. Like, I mean, I haven't shown you what happened, but like,
Yeah, you showed me. Oh, the
no,
second
like,
part, no.
yeah, like I went short here, 25% of the trade. I add full size here, and I average my price. My price was this one, 115, 159.49 was my price.
Oh, beautiful.
And like, I got out here, like no, that was yeah, exactly that one. And then I say, you know what? I'm gonna move to 159.42. And when I did that, somebody show up here at 40. It didn't print my average price anymore. Like here, it never printed the like break even, but it print that little. And then I went long with full size at the 59, which I shouldn't be doing because that tape is looking like crap, man, from the time I have been looking at, and I have been saying that, like, I mean, what the heck is going on in there? In this, like, look, you just look at it for a little bit, and it's because it wants to go to 156. And what is now 157.98, 157.86? My target was 156.
So, is there somebody on the tape? 157's big.
No, he's not there anymore. He was there, but he's not there anymore. Like, but remember, they are there. It's just like
They're in and out.
But just the print is letting you know, like, he have assistance selling. You see, like, you will see, like, you see all that middle print, like the white ones. Like, look what happened between the bid and the spread. Look, it goes like
Up, down.
it go like 10, 16, 13. You will see a walk down 08, 04. 08, but like you would at some point you see it like going 1 cent, like 1 cent by 1 cent higher, 10 cents down, like 09, 07, 07, 04, 08. You will see at some point he will wag it down like 58. Maybe at the 58 he will wag it down. 58, 58.10, 96, 99. 99. Now it's holding a little bit better. 96, but you will see. Out of the blue, it ended at 80. But like you will see a big like 10 cents gap down. Look at 91. Well, let's see.
Wow, very volatile.
He left a couple offer, and then 04.
What a doji.
In the 1 minute, yeah. $13, 14, 08, 07. It should be about to happen. Like the flush.
There we go. It went 07 to 01. I think this is the candle. From 20 to 4. From point 20 to point 4. 03, 58. Drop another chunk. 20 cents, 10 cents, Now
10
it's
cents
just
again.
go, go,
You see?
go, 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 go.
The reason why I knew he was about to come is because of this candle here. So let it rest at a key
And
point,
then, boom.
and then look at the biggest one again. There is a big seller. He gonna ease a bit when he get to 56.
I'm gonna go. It's not making lower lows, but it's definitely making lower highs. though the 1350 is still there, the potentiality of the trade is still there. I'm losing patience. And you know when I lose patience, what happens? It reacts and does exactly what I don't want it to do. Where I want it to do, when I leave it.
Man, it's like so stupid, but and I find that the after the fact happen before and after. So like you see that like the tray I call out that is after the fact. Like let's say now we have it there. Next one is gonna be here. Like oh I put it there. So basically what I'm saying here, biggest participation here. So if that cross above, when it come back, it never go back above there. In here, it will do the same. It will across this.
And it will never.
Once it come back, you have a reversal. But it's once it come back this level, not
I
before.
like
So, hijo de tu mamá.
You know what? Be good.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Jala, jala. What happened?
I miss my milk.
Yeah, it's what I was going to do. I was
Still great coffee, but I miss my milk.
yeah, I was looking for some this morning, but too late. Too late. And right now there is no body at 56 here. If you see, 56 is 0. Literally 0. Like yeah. So once it prints 56.
Okay.
Yeah, when it approaches 56, ideally we have to be looking at it because we want to see
The reaction of the
if the size show up back in there or not.
and how the tape reacts to it,
Yeah.
right?
So
The spread and the agreed. Brr.
brr. I don't know how you say that.
Brr.
Like if you see, in each dollar it have been doing, like before it was 59.93 the low. What is it now? 156.93. It's gonna do a bamboozle move here, like trying to get people to the long,
A bamboozle.
and they're gonna come back below the 56.93. Very nice system, but yeah. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you something. Do you know Jeppy? Jeppy? This thing? This is not for day trading.
No.
Like
What is?
this is a ETF.
ETF of who?
I found it's from JP Morgan, I think.
Oh, okay.
But they like if whatever money you put here, they pay you a monthly dividend of a 4%.
Oh,
plus whatever you gain with the stock, like the price. And this is very solid. Like I mean,
yeah, no kidding.
like we are talking that this have come from 50 to 57, but like this is like the average price it has been like 54, something like that. So 57 is a bit high, I would say, but yeah, it's very solid, and they have a yield in the price too. So if the price go down, it's protected. in
It's
investment anyways.
guaranteed.
Yeah, so no guarantee, but it's like yields. The way it works is if you are receiving a dividend,
Mm-hmm.
when the stock price, depending on what yield you have,
Okay.
when the stock price go down, the yield compensate in the dividends.
Okay.
The same, the price go up, the yield go cheaper.
Yield.
Yield.
Spanish. Yield. Yield. Like.
I really need those vacations, especially after today. Like I am hating myself for my trade today, but like there is no wrong trade that I didn't do that wasn't a mistake. Like again, I mean, it's a matter of discipline. Oh yeah, that's what I was going to say. You know what is happening to me right now with the trading?
No. Demon.
That almost every day I take a big trade, like it's a trade that is doing good.
Okay.
And because of greed, I don't take anything.
Partial.
So I have a possible solution for that.
Okay.
And it's like, let me take, like say if I decide to take, like let's say we say from Monday to Friday, you're gonna be taking partial.
Okay.
And the trick is that if you do that and you are good green Friday you are allowed to hold forever. Like to say, to hold those trades that you think they're gonna do that good. But yeah, it's like it's 100% sure I am not taking enough partial. I am like having a brain fart here and there, and like
But what do you think? Why?
today I blame a bit that I am in low sleep,
Okay.
and that was great too. Like I mean, those 20 are like, you can laugh about it, but it's a
Oh
real,
no,
it's
I'm
a
not
real
laughing
shit that
for
we
sure.
go through. You
Oh,
know,
for
it's like
sure.
it's like everybody saw that, like how good that of a trade that was,
It was beautiful.
and how I didn't took
Dead
a
on.
partial.
Yeah, up to 20, right?
Yeah, 20 are, yeah. And if I will be surviving now, how many? It's like 40 to 45 hours. It's like, but yeah. Which we never survive that much, you know? Like, you always, just the fact that you're partialing is gonna be less than that.
Correct.
What seems to be non-negotiable is because when I take a quarter up position with a 50-cent stop loss,
Mm-hmm.
I take as big as a loss as when I take a full-size trade with 15 cents loss. Pretty much, it's not there, but it's close.
Okay.
So, and like that, saying, you know what, it doesn't really worth it. Like I mean, it's better just to go full size and take that little loss in a full size.
Mm-hmm. Then into
Because sometimes you take the good trade in a quarter of a size and you're just paying commissions and things.
absolutely barely, right?
Yeah, so I'm gonna take the time this week to next week to check on Tesla to see what they are up to with the robotaxi thing.
Mm.
because
Read up a little bit.
yeah, like and you can go through the numbers, like through some numbers you can go, like some of this information is public. It's just you have to take the time to read the, like, the CPI. Something I want to do personally at some point, I want to go and really read the CPI, like because the CPI is a big document that it lets you know how much is in oil, like how much is being used in different sectors, like how much is like so. If you go through those, what you have better is a understanding of what sector is increasing the
It's booming.
exactly, instead of just saying, oh, CPI is high here or CPI is low, because you have the generalized number.
I like that.
So the same thing you can do with Tesla or any company. You can see like, hey, how are you doing with the robo taxi, or how are you doing with the margins, like though Tesla, like any of those investments, I am no stress about it.
You're not?
No, because it's long term, and the only thing is interesting, and I have to check the data. Is like what I told you about the fiscal policy, and monetary policy, and
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
how, because if that is correct, you only have to check which countries are doing the modification,
Okay.
and then
You
can,
go with them.
you can profit from them. Yeah, for sure.
Hmm. Oh. Oh, 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 oh.
It's gonna come to your price.
Oh.
It's not there anymore.
It's 109 now. Baba. Super rangy. 120, 122. 120, 122. Baidu. Fwa. I'm going to put some level on Billy. Because Billy is kind of interesting. And it could be something to look forward. So I'm going to put some levels just to put some memories on there. Another one that seems to be performing well as well is QULR. So I was looking at that this morning.
My goodness.
So do you have anything planned for your vacation tomorrow? Except sleep? Are you sleeping the entire day?
We are busy tomorrow.
Oh no, ¿por qué?
We have a party, a summer party
Um,
with Fernanda.
Me gusta.
In the morning, I'm gonna go I have to do my car oil change, and I decide to go and do it at the shop, like at the Mr. Loop.
He does everybody else's, but he doesn't do his own. I love it.
No,
I love it.
it's gonna take me longer, and I don't want to last longer without changing my oil. So,
I like it.
and
Where's the party tomorrow?
I think it's at her place.
Oh, very nice. Lunch or supper? The whole day.
To be honest, I don't know. Sorry, yeah, I said like it's my wife's a hosting like
I
she
like.
knows. She knows when.
She knows when I'm following her.
Yeah.
I'm following her. I know where she's going. She'll tell me when to turn the car. Your girls are boss ladies. If I'd be wearing glasses,
Mm-hmm.
they'd be steamy right now. Because I'm watching water boiling.
What's up, laddie?
Hey! Happy Friday, Larry.
Hey, it's her last day too, again.
Yes! Last day, going on vacation. Okay, so we finally have some action there on ACHR. So I'm going to read the tape a little bit just to see what the players are doing. Because I think now we could have a little bit of interest. Enough to get us to finally the 1350. Okay, 1333. Okay, so we've got SPY, the RSI on SPY. It's climbing up, we'll see.
I am taking a look at Nvidia right now, and like that's a beautiful holding of that 172. I know I am not trading Nvidia today because I decided to leave it alone. That was probably the right move. I'm not sure about that, but well, it was way less choppy than AMD. Though that's the reason why I say I probably is not the. I don't know if I will be going as short in this, but like what I'm saying is like you see this is
Not big
72,
move, but yeah.
but you see the 72. That's a 1 minute candle. It brings 171.82. Like that's a trade that will work right away, and that's a price that I said yesterday. That's the price I wanted yesterday.
Yep, I remember.
So is it gonna hold? We don't know. Like let's say like right now we have 72.50 and 72.43 bidding quite heavy there. and yeah, like look at the bid at 172.40. It's at 200 something. Like I mean, yeah, like it's not the yellow line. It's a little bit below the yellow line.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know what game he's playing. But he just I don't know as I say what game he's playing. But he came from the 40 to the 30 now. So I'm remembering that there was a book that was saying something about that.
Mm-hmm. There was a book that said something about
Yeah,
that.
but I'm trying to recall, like to remember what it is. Okay, there we go. Look, 25. Yeah, your mom. He came from 40 to 30, from 30 to 25, and now to 16. That's a fake order.
It's a what?
Unless it's a mistake. In PLTR, they were doing the same thing with the lot I call my friend because like it's easy, like he let you know where we're going. Technically, that's saying that this is gonna go down. Down to where? Like probably to 172 again. But let's see if he's gonna step down again. No, he step up.
It's step up?
Yeah. Oh, step up again. Okay. Yeah. And by how much? How many cents did he step up or down? Like you see, he went from he was moving in lot of 10 cents. Then
Okay.
he 5 cents. The fact that instead of 10 cents he moved just 5 cents is letting you know that there is
A little bit of
a support.
yeah.
And then when he step up to 34 in lots of 10 cents. So there we go. Stepping back down again to 24 to 23. Yeah, I won't base any direction on that because that's not a play for me. Let's see how are those moving average looking like. Yeah, we are under the water there for sure. The 72 is looking attractive. Oh yeah, that 72. Yeah, major thing at the 72 because it's not just it's 20 cents. Like I will be probably 71.80 is a little bit better. Like 15-minute moving average and that's 72 71.80 171.80.
Mm-hmm.
But assuming that it won't offer, the 72.00 should be a good entry again if ever you offer it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
172.
172. Especially because when it went there last time, it bounced clean. So, but normally when the bounce is clean, it's like it doesn't offer it anymore. So like you can be getting up like but
I agree.
But this time, let's say, hey, if it goes there, it have sizes. Like right now, you have a roughly 330 lot in there.
Okay.
So 330 lot at 172. Tesla is finally bouncing back, and I love the fact that the place from where Tesla is bouncing back, because that's the opening range, which coincides to be the VWAP right now. So I really like it. Let's see. I'm gonna show you Tesla basically. Tesla. Yeah, like this is around. Yeah, exactly around there. It's a little bit higher. If we want to be precise, it's right there. That yellow line here is the top of the opening range. So we do the first 15-minute high, then we went even higher. We come back, we find support where previously it was resistance, or it's not real resistance because that was just like a couple minute resistance. But the fact that the buyers are stepping in right here is talking good about Tesla. We don't know because the overall market is pulling back down little by little. So SPY is pulling back, which we could argue that is, hey, after this big rally, this could be expected in the worst case. But yeah, everything found the brakes a little bit before than my expectation. Like AMD found the brakes at 157 instead of 156. Like if you see, I have a line at 156 right here, down here. This is the order that I care about previously. We didn't get there by $1, and we are already pumping up. So let's see what it wants to do. Let's look at the tape on AMD as well, just to see if the size come back at the 56. Yeah, 57 has 107 lot, and 5750 have 41 lot. But yeah. I was going to ask you, what are you trading? ACA chart, yeah.
Yeah, I'm still watching. Steamy
ACA
glasses, steamy glasses.
Oh, honey, I know it doesn't say it like that. It's okay. I could invent it. Oh, my guy was saying that AUR is about to squeeze, or squeezing, short squeezing. I wouldn't probably call it a short squeeze, but it's looking good, definitely. Like if you see, this is a weekly chart, and it was fighting with the 200 moving average long ago already, but we are above the 200 moving average in that time frame. But more than that, we are like in the daily, we are right there at 200 moving average. So if this thing turn back up above that again, I have some potential. That's the other one. Like now, when I sell Tesla, whenever Tesla get whatever it's gonna get,
You're gonna go to a
probably I'm gonna get some Aurora and some other things like Google. I don't know what Google is doing right now, but whatever above 169 is golden. Google, okay, yeah, 184. Oof, 169 what, my guy? We are already a couple dollars above that. Yeah. I wanted to show you. Thanos? Do you know who's Thanos?
Guardian of the Galaxies.
Yeah, but he's in the Avengers. He's the the nemesis. He's the one that killed Iron Man and everybody. And
Okay.
Chuck Norris was the one that made his beer when he kicked him in there. You never hear those things?
No,
Okay.
I never heard of
Yeah,
it.
I'm gonna show you because what happened is like Chuck Norris have been known to be as the badass of the badass.
Yeah.
So there is a bunch of memes like that are very exaggerated, like like this one. A snake bit me. It died 2 days later. Or like Chuck Norris was in the Star Wars movies. He was the Force.
Me gusta.
When the boogeyman goes to bed at night, he check for Chuck Norris. Like there is a bunch of things saying like I once had a heart attack, my heart lost.
That's funny.
So and I see. Yeah, I understood, but like it's in
Yeah.
French that one.
Yeah.
When you
I
chop
cut
onions, the onions cry.
cry.
Like Chuck Norris was once an American Idol. Using sign language. That once had a near Chuck Norris experience.
Oh, that's
You got the
funny.
memo.
Yeah.
So-
Oh, that's funny. I didn't know that
Yeah.
I knew he was tough because, like, I've seen movies, but I didn't know that he had a. That's funny.
Have you seen the news about what is going on with those files and things that they are putting a lot of pressure on him?
Oh yeah. Oh wow. Hey, come on.
Because he wanna bury them.
Well, come on. If he's not part of those files,
Elon was gonna go to jail.
I will be shocked if he's not part of those files. Oh, you stinky dog.
You see now, 157 here, you have to take a decision of going with that front runner
Mm-hmm.
or wait for it with the possibility of not getting filled. But if you get filled, that means that it's not good.
Are you bringing Dumbo?
No,
Okay, so we have Dumbo,
but I'm giving him a shower for sure.
but we have Dumbo.
If you want. But I'm gonna give him a shower anyways. I have to take care of him properly. Like, I mean, I want to do his hair in the eyes here.
Mm-hmm.
And like, yeah, that's something that is very tricky because he doesn't let it do it. And, like, he doesn't stay quiet. When
Okay,
he-
so we have Dumbo.
if you want,
Well, you're not gonna leave him here for 3 days. Come on. You're funny. If we want.
you know what I meant.
If we want. We're not leaving Dumbo alone. Hey, Dumbo es mi pipí.
Maybe it's you who doesn't want to stay alone, and that's why you're gonna take.
Yeah. I've got a
Yeah,
full
yeah.
house at home.
You have a reminder of the
It's-
Checos family.
Oh, see, it's true.
Look at the
It's
thing.
true. Es mi pirito.
Didn't hold the thing. The 57. Why would he hold at the 57? Why? There is nobody at 57. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong tape, my guy. Looking at the wrong tape. Like how do you do that? And it went so far in the right here. Yeah. Exactly. Next size 156.40. And if it's a 156.40, I feel a bit lazy, so I'm gonna do a little bit of tape reading on AMD, and I'm gonna do a little bit of tape reading on Nvidia, because maybe PLTR, that is a little bit more flattish percentage wise. So let's see, we have those sizes. Look at how this thing is like printing 81. I am just reading the cents. If you don't get the price, just let me know and I'm gonna call it complete. But yeah, 81 at the offer, 77 at the ask. No, the opposite. 76, 76. We are just reading the bid. 74, 74, 73. Bunch of white print, and then what we do 74. Okay, a bunch of white print, and then 74 and 77. Going little by little up to 84, 85, 81, 82. 81, 82, 81, 80. Okay, and we are coming gently down, so that might be okay. So there we got down 4 cents. That's okay. So 87, 86, 78, 75. Now 75 bidding a little bit heavier. Let's see what is gonna happen right there. 80, from 80 to 75. That's not good. And he removed his size, or I don't know. No, he's back. Okay, it was just too far. Okay, so okay, heavy offer at 98. Not even at the whole dollar. And what we do? We crush through the buyer at 75. So now we are printing 67. This thing just need to go down a little bit more. It's not strong there, and like I that's why I say, like, my last trade where I decided to went long is like, it's totally contradicting what I was saying and thinking. So 65, and we go from 65 to 58, and then again 55, 55, 57, 51, 51 again. 50 is bidding a bit heavier. It has 79 lot only. 54, 54. We are going up in 54 lots, so yeah, another 20 cents gap down. We went from 71 to 51 so fast that I didn't even have time to blink.
Wow.
The 50 are holding okay, but I guess it's just because people are jumping in there. There is a seller at 77 that is not big enough, but probably once he got filled up, we're gonna keep toward the downside. I know the 157.98 is substantial, so we go 69 again, 71, 75. Yeah, there we go. Now he got his shirt at 77. Oh, he sold his shirt at 77. We go 82, lifting the offer. Quite high volume on that previous candle compared to the previous. 88, 57 again. I cannot see whoever is at 57.98. I cannot see it in the books, but I can see it in the montage. So that probably gonna act as a strong level of resistance. Though now it's trying to go there. You have the same ticket yet? ACHR. $98. We're gonna go through 98 very soon. Okay, it's 57.98.
Spy pulls pushing.
Yeah, I see. Good move. You have a line there where SPY push up. Yeah, like we had the
Pre-market.
yesterday.
that down.
The 600 lot was fell up at that price yesterday. Like you have it at the 20, but I have it at the 10 because you remember he moved his size. Whoever was it to 20.
Yeah. And then I said there's a little bit of back running for 627. Okay, this is it. Hold on to your pants. This is it. I'm pulling my socks up.
Yeah, I see the candle.
This is it. Pull up your socks.
So 74.
Okay, so SPY now is interacting with the 50 EMA. You bitch. Beach. Remember when we were talking about that, right? $2.90, $3, no patience. Way too much for these. Ugh. Ugh. Ouch, ouch.
I'm sorry for the trauma.
Ouch. That hurt.
You were laughing too much. Why you were laughing too much?
Un poco. Are you kidding me? Wow.
Por un caminito yo te fui a buscar, muy lejos caminé y al fin yo te encontré. Hoy me siento muy feliz porque estoy junto a ti. Que eres para mí. So now we can see how AMD keep just going down. And it's trying to hold toward the 50, but there we go, 45. It snapped 5 cents again. And I'm just gonna put a line there for us to be able to see where is the 50. About there. Did I say 7180? Or 7280. Or 7080, sorry.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Oh yeah. 7180. That's just YouTube. Apparently you can play games in there. Like I was not looking at anything, so just left it open by mistake. Finalmente. Finalmente.
Finalmente.
Yeah, I brought the train.
Took so long.
Yeah, it took forever.
It took so long. I feel like the girls in the back of the car. Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet? Even from Spy, the question is it's legit? It's a push from here?
Seems to. Aye. A little tired, eh?
Sleepy, basically.
Mm.
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Okay, you've got to have enough participation. You've got the volume, you've got the RSI, you've got the sellers that are losing steam, you got the buyers that are in the row, you've got the size. You got to take off. Come on. Ugh. Am I dramatic enough?
It's comprehensible.
Oh, that was tame. Comprehensible. He's a jolly good fellow, which nobody can deny. Well, Spice got in a little bit of a range there. behooves me. Oof, that's a big word.
We're gonna be back in a bit. Right, we're back.
So right now, come on, let's go. You can do it. You can do it.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, because my FOMO,
you
I
got
am
you
in
off?
full FOMO for Lucid. Max FOMO for Lucid. To think I could have went into that trade at 290. No. Impatient for that one, but this one here, I've got patience to go to the moon. Sometimes, eh?
Look at the 56 here. Now he's there.
Oh yeah, okay.
So now it's just for 100 lot, but it's enough.
Well,
It's
400
not-
on that price, eh?
Yeah, and it's double than what it was when I look at it.
Right? And the music too, eh, is not helping.
The music from the girls. Yeah.
It's so cute that you just want to go, ah. Okay. Well, there's 2 minutes left, Evie. Did you want to revise your trading?
Yeah, for sure. Just give me a second and I'll be there. Yeah. So yeah, basically here, and today was going to be a very good day for me, but I messed it up here because impatient and things like that. I lack of discipline too. Yeah, like. And at the same time, it's still learning like those things. Like I mean, for example, it's not like there is blame, but there is also what those mistakes leave on you. Yeah, it's like
The imprint.
yeah. So basically, here I went short. That was just it's a little short in there. I went short. I think it was with 50% of the position. Didn't work, got me out right away, and I say, oof, I didn't like the way that this got me out. Because when it got me out, the slippage was quite big, but then I see that it was hammering that 160, and I say, you know what, if it's hammering the 160 with the volume at the open, and it's just like having trouble to walk away from there at the open, let's find the next participant. And that next participant was at 150. 160, 50 here, right here. So that's that entry. That was a full side entry. Beautiful trade just from here to
Perfect price.
there. That was 20R. And I was talking and putting a noise like this. And I didn't took any partial. So then it got me broke even here. And then you know in what mental state you are when you miss such a good opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
So in here, I went long, I went short, and it didn't work. Like I mean, one of them was a stop out by 5 cents, the other by 10. Like it's technically one trade in two, but it was still not good. And then in the I shorted with little size. When I shorted with little size, like 25%, it went all the way down to 159. And I was trying to add here, and I was chasing the move to add because at first I was like 159.50, then 159.20. Never got me. When it across 59, I say, okay, now it's gonna break in the bottom. It's gonna, because it broke the opening range, I say I'm gonna add here. So this is 25%, 50%, and then full size here. And again, I get the full size trade. My average price was 159.49. And
That's a $3 move. Frick.
yeah, and what is even worse than that is like when I did that, I say, I want to break even. Okay, break even at that price. When it moved here and it lasts so long in the 59, I say, okay, I am not breaking even. I move my stop loss to 159.42. That's why the
Wait.
moving stop loss, I am more and more against that. Unless you are breaking even and making peace with that, like whatever you have to make peace with either decision. So when I did that, right away I did it. I look at the tape. There is a big seller, 159.40. So what are the chances that the price is gonna come and fill up this guy and move 2 cents against that? Very high. So
Yeah.
and then it got me out here.
Yeah.
The level of frustration here is just
Is-
accumulating.
Off the chart.
Then I say, you know what? But it's holding the 59. And then I went long here.
Long and
Full size. Got me out. And then I'm blocked. And that's why I say this week, I am sure I keep some profit. I am green this week. But it's like compared to what I had on my hands in many days, it's very mediocre. But at the same time, I'm making peace with it because, as I say, like yes, I am today and yesterday. Yes, the first trading days. Hey, if I have one good day, I go back to believe that I am the best again, and then making the same mistakes. So, and
wow, let's not be too harsh.
no, it's that's what happened. It's like, I mean, you make good, and then you say, oh, yeah, it's gonna do it again, and then it's like you skip a couple rules, and then, oh no, now I have to follow the rules. Okay, now I am. It's we have to find the balance, and when I am tired like this, like I didn't sleep
Oh.
much, I cannot
For a few
do
days,
the,
right?
Yeah, I have
you
a
and
couple.
Blary.
The whole week, pretty much. I mean, like Monday, you saw the energy Monday.
Oof.
I was making bad jokes and things like that. Then Tuesday's like, I'm a little bit slushy. But yeah, so no excuses at all. Like I say, yeah, green week, but it could be better. And when I say it could be better, like I can keep busy 5 to 7 times whatever I have. So, and yeah, we're gonna have to keep learning on that matter. Happy with the learning. Happy with the fact that it's not red for the week, but a little bit annoyed for the lack of discipline. That's for sure. And yeah, we just can do our best. And like I guess when I am tired, that's my best. So, what about you? ACHR. Marie's giving ACHR. It's she's
Okay.
long.
Yeah.
And the
And
same price, 13.28.
so I initially went into the trade because I never got out, right? So I initially went into the trade at 13.07. So that was my price, 13.07. When it crossed the opening high, I said, okay, you know what? I'm going to go in. So I added, but I went in through this, put in the order. I waited till it got me. Then I added to get a full position. Then
Yeah,
my
basically,
first partial,
Came in here.
13.13 was my first partial. Added on the pullback. Added. Here, I was in really hot water. So
Bang,
I
bang,
was
bang.
adding, that was my last add at 317. I was in really hot water. But I saw the tape. I knew it was going to go to 1350. I was waiting for 1350. Steamy wind, steamy glasses, boiling forever. And finally did it. And now I have I've banked 10 hours. I've already took 10 hours. Kaboom. So lots of partials going back up. And now I am in the position
You
and
know?
still very good.
I know you don't have the 400 moving average, but like just to explain her trade, like basically she's seen the tape buying on those in this thing, and she's buying here, here, and here, little by little, and she actually have an ad right here. So, but like this, she had a trend line, and that trend line goes like this, and she had another trend line like this. So basically, she
And the
knows
other
that
one
the,
is here too.
yeah, the primary trend line is toward the hope side. So this is just pulling back in probably profit taking.
Right to the VWAP.
She's waiting for it to break that and do exactly what it's doing, and now that's what she's profiting off.
Correct.
But
Partial. All
the
the
part
way
I
up.
wanted to mention, like, is that I know you don't have the 400, but look at the 400 here.
It pulled back.
Support, 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 support. Once it lost it, you go support again, and whoop.
Gaboom. Ha! Look at that, eh? So I was really
And I pulled
sad.
the 400 out of nowhere because nobody talk about using the
No,
400.
they always, the biggest one usually is a 2, right? So the 2 SMA or the 2 EMA, but 200, but I was so upset of going away because I wasn't lucid, and lucid, at least I broke even, but I had to remember the 290. So I actually had it as an overnight 290, and I had the $3. And when it pulled up and brought back down, I said, you know what?
I got you, yeah.
I'm gone. You know, it pulled up, it did not cross, it just tested the VWAP and went back down. The tape is too crowded, I'm walking away. Total FOMO. Yeah. But I'm glad because right now I'll probably do a good,
Yeah, more than
15 R right now, so 15 to 20 R, depending on when we're going to be getting out. So, yeah, it's a different trading strategy for me, but it seems to be working well. The patience, and it's working my patience though. Oof.
Very nice.
Yeah, different strategy, but it seems to be working. So,
Cool.
yeah.
Yeah, it's as I say, like I am here for the long term. Like I mean, we're gonna
Yeah.
learn. Like I mean, trading. Like I mean, it's
Yes or yes.
like we're gonna get it. Hopefully before the 40 years old. Like no, we are doing better than that for sure.
Absolutely.
So we are right there. So just like you take a discipline and things like that. So but yeah,
And patience.
yeah, and like, but at some point it's like, hey, in trading we keep learning every day, man. Like I mean, it's like
Observing, learning, experiencing. Absolutely, Davey. I agree. It's a beautiful thing.
so. Yeah, that's gonna be everything for today. I hope everybody have fun, everybody have a good day, and everybody have a good weekend. Next week we're gonna be taking a couple of days off. I'm planning for next week specifically. I'm planning to trade Monday and Friday. So Monday I probably will be a little bit late, but I'm still planning to be trading, as I said.
We're not sure for me for for Monday because it's the last day that I've got some visitors. My cousin's in town, so I might be spending the day with her.
Nice. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna keep you posted. As I say, I hope everybody have fun. I hope everybody have a good weekend.